Brad Williams, XL Prime, absolute values. What is an absolute value? We're taking negative and we're forcing it to a positive. Is that always the answer? It's a tool, it's available. I'm just going to show you or explain to you what it is. It's you enter an ABS, okay, in the number. Excel's ABS function, absolute value, returns a number, absolute value. Absolutes convert negatives to positives without affecting the positive numbers. So if you have a positive number and you use absolute value, it's not going to return the positive and the negative. It's going to just give you the positive number. Now, if you have a negative number, as shown here, it's going to convert that over to a positive number. The absolute function returns the absolute value. It's just very simple. You just use absolute and then right here, -3 returns 3. You have absolute 0, well, it'll return 0. A common problem involves calculating the difference between two numbers. For example, with the predicted value in cell A1 and the actual value in B1, you could calculate variance as follows. B3 minus B3, negative or positive results. I'm not going to go any further. You might want to incorporate if with absolutes. I know absolutes serving a purpose. There's a lot of attempts to try and convert things that shouldn't be converted, and go into that now. But the tool's available. That's if you need to use an absolute value. It's very simple. You can also use an if statement. I'm going to let you think about how to incorporate an if statement. Through experience, I have tried, and in the end, I try not to use absolutes. Dealing with negative numbers, there's a reason why they're negative. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.